Hi, this video is about using Metaspoilt to exploit the VSFTP in order to get the password hashes, and then after that you use the password hashes to get the login credential. Let's get started on this. Okay, first is you would want to determine the IP address of the target VM. Okay, let's take a look at the target VM is 192.168.3.8. So next we will start the Metaspoilt framework. Now, of course, this assume the target VM has the port 21 open. Okay. Let's do a search for the exploit. So the one that we will want to use is this particular one, the one having a 234 backdoor. So we will select it by using one. And what we do is to look at the option. So usually is that you have to set the option that is required. In this case, the target host, which is the R host. (192.168.3.8). And then after that, just to make sure that it's being set correctly, and we will just do the exploit. Okay, got a shell. So what we can do is we can simply type in some command, and after that we can actually get the contents of, for example, the etc password. There we go. So save the content to somewhere. We need to use it later on. And likewise, we will do the etc shadow. Subsequently, we'll be using John to extract the password. There's all the password hashes are over here. Copy them. Okay, we're done for here for now. Of course, you can even, since you have the shell access, you can even change the password of the user or add a user, but we shall not be doing this in this video. Okay, let me close this for a while. So given that we have the two files, password.txt and shadow.txt, so what we do next is we will need to unshadow the two files, get the unshadow file. So the unshadow file looks something like this. This is to actually prepare the file input for the John. We'll be using John, so we can just simply do a John unshadow text. It will actually run through. I've actually already run it through just now, so it will might look different on your end. So essentially, the password that I had obtained using John is this. So it's like, for example, klog is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this means that we can actually use this credential to log into the target host. Of course, we have already know MSF and min, since this is actually a Metasploit 2 VM. But the other one that we actually found from the password hashes include user service. Now, of course, is that given you have the password hashes, you can make use of some online tool to so-called crack or to determine what are the password. That will be a so-called separate exercise. There's one more password hashes that remains uncracked, but however, I'll stop the video over here. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.